Good morning, class 9. Now, in the last class, I discussed about the formation of Himalaya and about the Gondwana land, the countries and the continents which were part of the old Gondwana land. Okay, so this we have discussed. So now you understood how Himalayas were formed. Now today we will discuss the formation of the northern plains of India. Now the northern plains or the great plains in India, it were formed from the sedimentary deposits, alluvium, that is brought by the rivers from the Himalayas by its erosion. The Ganga, Brahmaputra and the Satluj, they are the important rivers and the tributaries of all these rivers. Okay, but before that, these plains were formed, okay, in the Pleistocene and Holocene era. The upheaval of Himalayas, it created a marine depression between the mountains and the Indian peninsula. A depression, marine depression was created. Why? Due to Himalaya, it uplifted out of the Tethys Sea and the subsidence of the northern flank of Peninsula Plateau. Okay, it went inside and therefore one big depression. Depression means a landform sunken or depressed below the surrounding area. So this depression gradually was filled with the deposition of sediments brought down by the rivers of Himalaya, like I said, Indus, Brahmaputra and Ganga, and also the rivers of Peninsular Plateau, like the Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Son. These all rivers, they filled that depression. Alright? So the deposition of alluvium from the Himalayas commenced after the final phase of the Shivaliks and has continued till now. These plains rest upon the older tertiary sediments of the Himalayan pediment. Alright? So finally, a flat land of extensive alluvial deposits that is brought down by the rivers that led to the formation of the northern plains of India. Alright? Okay, students, now the land of India displays great physical variation. So how this land of India displays great physical variation? So for that we have to look the different physical features of India and how they are different from each other. So let us see first of all the southern area, the southern India. Peninsular Plateau is mainly found in the southern India. And this plateau, the Peninsular Plateau, is the oldest landmass in India, as this was the part of old Gondwana land. Okay, this is also the most stable land blocks. Alright, the plates almost are stable, and in the plateau region, the peaks are not very high, they are rounded peaks, and the valleys, the river valleys are also not very deep, they are shallow in nature. This plateau region is composed of igneous and metamorphic rocks, which prove that this particular segment, Peninsular Plateau, is very, very old. In fact, oldest landmass in India. On the other hand, we have the northern India. In northern India, we have two special features: the Himalayas and the northern plains of India. Now, both of these features are most recent landforms. They are youthful in topography. So how we can say they are youthful in topography? Features like Himalayan features, they have high and pointed peaks, and they also have deep valleys. Okay, so these deep valleys, high pointed peaks, high mountain peaks, they prove that these are new mountain. Okay, youthful topography. And the rivers in the Himalayas are fast flowing rivers. They flow very, very fast. Therefore, they are the most recent landforms. Okay, and these northern plains, they also are formed of alluvial deposits. Okay, and therefore we can say this northern India, Himalayas as well as northern plain of India, they are new. Okay, so that is the kind of variation we can see in India. Peninsular Plateau is very, very old. Himalayas are youthful topography. Now in the western India, we know about the Thar Desert. It covers the states of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Okay, and the amount of rainfall is very less over here. It is less than 50 centimeter annually. Less than 50 centimeter. Okay, scanty rainfall. The opposite of western India is eastern India, known for lots of perennial rivers. We also have plains of Assam there, formed by river Brahmaputra. And the highest rainfall place in India, that is in Meghalaya, the Mawsyn Ran. It receives a good amount of rainfall. This is eastern India. Okay, so therefore we can say the land of India displays great physical variations.